Welcome back, students. In today's tutorial we are going to solve this problem, this exercise to calculate distance between 2 points in two-dimensional plane at the same time. We will use a formula for three-dimensional plane also. So both kind of problems we are going to solve. Now in this exercise they have told us to write a predicate name distance which will take input from user like x1 and a y1 and then x2 and y2, and this will be the result. So whatever the distance between these 2 points, that will be copied to this particular x and it will shown here x is equal to 5. Okay, so this is what expected to write this predicate. So we need to write a rule, distance rule, and in that we will write the formula which will be used to calculate the distance between 2 points in two-dimensional plane. So we know the formula, we studied that in primary school also. So square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square will be the formula to calculate distance in between 2 points in two-dimensional plane. Okay, and if you want to calculate for in three-dimensional plane, then which formula we have to use? We have to use square root of formula, that is square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square plus z2 minus z1 square. Okay, so that formula we will use for to calculate the distance in between 3 points in three-dimensional plane. Okay, so we will solve both and we will see how to write the rule, that also we will see. So I will go to the Prolog editor now. So I have created this new file, and in this PL file, Prolog file, I am going to write the predicate. So predicate name will be distance, suppose, and I am taking x1 and y1 from user. Okay, then comma x2 and y2 from user, x2 and y2 from user. Okay, and then I am displaying suppose result. Okay, so this is what my predicate, and I will write a rule now. Okay, see this, I am going to write a rule. Okay, and here what I have to write down, result is square root of, so we need to use sqrt function, inbuilt function. Okay, and then inside the bracket x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, capital x1 we will use. Okay, and then we have to take what, it's square. Okay, and then what, plus addition. Okay, and I will use the same formula. 1 second. Okay, so here what we will take, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 and square. Okay, so here we have completed this, and I will use dot here. So now this is the predicate, distance x1 y1, these values we have taken from user. Then x2 y2, these values also we have taken from user. So user will enter the values. If we take values from here, then we can take 0 0 and 3 4. Okay, then you will observe that here I have written the rule. So this result will be what, square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Okay, So this will be the rule. I will save this now. So program is saved, and now we will consult this distance. Okay, so you will observe that it is now compiled, and now we will check whether we are getting correct answer or not. Okay, so we have used distance predicate. Okay, so I will pass 0 0 and 3 4, 0 0 and 3 4, 3 comma 4. These are the values, and I want result in R, suppose. So I will take R and then dot and enter. So I got the result 5, and this is exactly what they have mentioned in the exercise. So my formula is correct, and whatever I have written is correct. So now I have shown you that how we can calculate the distance in between the 2 points in 2-dimensional plane, and how to write a rule for that. That also I have shown you how to write a predicate for that. So now your task is that you have to write similar problem to calculate a solution to calculate the distance between 3 different points in 3-dimensional plane. Okay, so you need to take x1, y1 and z1 point set 1, and point set will be point set 2 will be x2, y2 and z2. So these values will be given by user, and you have to find out the result, you have to find out the difference, and the formula will be square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square bracket square and plus z2 minus z1 square. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope you will solve this for the 3D plane also, 3-dimensional plane also. Okay, and if you have any question, you can ask me in comment. Thank you very much.